Nature isn't just beautiful, it's the signature of a brilliant creator. Meet the acorn woodpecker, a bird no bigger than your hand, yet crafted by God with stunning intelligence. As winter approaches, this tiny creature drills thousands of tiny holes, each one perfectly sized. Why? Because every acorn must fit just right. Too small? The acorn cracks and rots. Too big? Thieves, like jays or squirrels, steal it. One tree can hold up to 50,000 acorns. That's a storehouse engineered by instinct, but designed by the mind of God. And it doesn't stop there. These birds remember where every acorn goes, move them as they shrink, and work as a family to guard their supply. This isn't random. This is intentional. This is divine craftsmanship. The acorn woodpecker isn't just surviving, it's revealing the wisdom, precision, and glory of the one who made it. Only God could design something so small to reflect something so great.